U20 to 3 ekseni manje. Ngiyacabanga la. Ngiqeda ukuba busy ke nje njengenjwayelo. Sengithatha nazi ilip zami. Sengifuna ukurecorda as per yebeat yami ngoba ngizenzela i-personal finance yami nje. Tracking my spending and all of those things. So kunesitolo sokudla lapha engene ngathenga khona i-display bani file, display pockets ne, yabona lezi zinto lezi zokufaka kwi-file lezi amaphakethe lawo abhaliwe ukuthi u59.99. Ngiphinde ngakhipha ikhadi leli lokunciphisa amaxabiso, yabona leli swipe kuthiwa kucelwa lona, bengakhipha lona ke. Kubhaliwe ke la ukuthi iprice bese yehla ngo12 ngazithola sengikhokha u47.99. It's nice ne, but ke njengomuntu mina engiskeptical, sengiyasho ukuthi what if vele bekwamanga kwakona ukuthi lento u59.99 vele lento ibi u47.99 ngalesi sikhathi uzoswa ubingele lo changes akasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Hayi. Ngiyazi umunye ukuthi uzothi hayi mhlambe vele angeke kube semthethweni ukuthi ba display iprice le price lena kanti akusiyona, whatever the explanation you're gonna come with. Mina ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi kukhona into ekuthiwa i-decoy effect esetshenziswayo la kwi-business sector. Yayizwa lonto i-decoy effect. Lento lena engibuyisela kwi-decoy effect. What if lento vele bebeqonda ukungidayisela yona ngo47.99 ngenxa yokuthi mina ngizibona sengathi manje ngisayivile mangikhipha leli khadi elithi -12 so sengibona sengathi ke kuhle ukuthenga kulesi sitolo ngoba ngizosave kanti vele as per markup vele markup yabo ila ngiskeptical man. Konke engitshela njalo ngeke bevume labo kulahlekelwa. It's not being dirty though, it's a game business nje kwi-business sector, kwi-financial sector. Money is just that game. Angithi ngikutshela ukuthi ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kune decoy effect. I-decoy effect ke lethe ngikutshela isebenza kanjani. I-decoy effect isho ukuthini? Ukuthi wenze utricke umuntu ukuthi enze lento wena ofuna ukuthi ayenze vele. Yabo, amtricka. Uyitshela ukuthi yena une choice kanti cha, akanayo choice, wenza yona exactly lento omdrivela kuyona. Bukanike khona nizokwazi ukuyibona lento. Wena ufuna ukuthatha abameli. Usuyayithatha ke nathi brochure uyayibuka. Mhlawumbe kukhona i-standard nje sabo. Kuzoba khona mhlambe i-bronze bese ba khona i-gold, yabo. Lento iqala ithi bronze bese ithi silver bese ithi gold, yezwa asiqale lapho. Angithi ukuthi ama services awu3 lawa bakhona ukuthi benzani kule service kupha abangakwenzi, benzani kule service kupha abangakwenzi, yezwa. Nakule obviously khona abangakwenzi kule ekuthiwa i-bronze, abayakwenzayo kule ekuthiwa i-silver, abangakwenzi kule ekuthiwa i-silver, abakwenzayo kule ekuthiwa i-gold. Obviously gold ivele ibe very very good, even too good to be true, ibe nento zonke, yabo, ibe nento zonke. Into ezokwenzeka ke uthola ukuthi i-bronze standard, uthola ukuthi iwu300 nje, yabo. Bese udlulela kwi-silver. I-silver uthola ukuthi iwu600. Obviously uyabona i-difference la. Iwu600. Bese uyethu uyabuka i-gold package. Mhlambe 670. Yabo le u600 le 670. Yabona le lapha nendawo kuthiwa i-silver. Vela kuqondile ukuthi uthathe yona wena. Ngoba ingqondo yomuntu kuyazi ukuthi isebenza in comparison. Isebenza ngokucomparation ingqondo yomuntu. And people they hate losing. Yabo? And bonke abayazi abakudrivela kuyona la ile gold le. Ngoba bayazi ukuthi wena uzothi uma ubuka i-bronze le ka300 uyiqhathanisa ne-silver le ka600 uthi ngiyabiza. But uma uqhathanisa i-silver ne-gold ubona ukuthi uyabagaina ngoba you only add bani how you only add 70 rand and then uyibona ubagainile wena. Kanti vele ubudrivelwa khona lapho. And ila kule gold ibizwa ukuthi ugly guy ngoba izoba ne-feature 1 or 2 features are very important key angabibikho azoba khona lapha kwi-gold. Bese uyabona ukuthi ngibagainile ngithole everything ngi-ede nje only 70 rands above, only 70 rands. Vele i-ugly guy le bebengaqondile ukuthi uthathe yona vele this silver package. Wena vele bebekudrivela kwi-gold le uthi ubagainile uma uthatha yona. That is why they made this silver ukuthi ibe nama key features that are not there akhona lapha ya kwi-gold. Kwi-gold vele ibe too good to be true vele. Bebekudrivela lapha and when uyibona wenzeni uyibona ubagainile i-ugly guy. Ngiyabo? Ngobani? We hate losing vele. And when awusabuka ukuthi umbuzo the incorrect question that you are going to ask yourself ile ethi ikuphi la ngibagaina khona? Ikuphi la ngibagaina khona? That is a very incorrect question because vele you will see yourself bargaining if you are taking the gold because you only add 70 rand, which that's 70 rand times 12 times so many years. How much is that? That you are losing. That you would have used that money for something else. Yes, that is an incorrect question. But the correct question is which one I can afford. That was the correct question. Which one I can afford. Of which you will find that the one that you can afford, it is what? It is the one that is for 300. And you will find that the one that is for 300, that package, it is having all the basic things that you are going to need. Then this gold is having an excess that you are not going to need anyway. Uthola ukuthi lento ikhuluma ngento eziningi ongenazo wena, but for the fact for the mere fact ukuthi inezinto nje these are going to be in excess, then you take it. And ifana nama subscription storage. Thothi storage naso sibekiwe ngama prices. Le part nendawo vele eyokuku isebenza as a decoy effect to drive you to the other one because you work with comparison. And the other one, the last storage lesi sobe sisikhulu kakhulu, you'll find that you won't even need it. It will be in excess. But what they use ukuthi lesi esinye storage sibe in excess because you don't need it, because you don't bank the storage, you bank the money. What difference it makes for you to bargain in the storage that you are not going to use instead of you bargaining in money, that the money that you are going to bank. Check for an ugly guy every time you have to make a choice. Check an ugly guy first. Ekudrivela to the premium one. My subscription nakuzona zonke ama products. Check that one. And don't look at the premium one. Stick to the basic. Noma just shy away and stick to the basic. Or focus on your needs. What are your needs? Your specific needs. Because sometimes you buy things that you don't even need just because you think when now you are bargaining, but you are not going to need it. Ngani umuntu ukuthenga ikhombo ehlanganiswe nenyama ngoba ezibona ukuthi uyabhagena even though inyama engayidli because ucala uzoyinikeza abanye. Yo, yeah, consumer habit basibamba.